Hey guys, today I will show you how to check battery health on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. Firstly, open the app drawer and in the search tab enter the Samsung members. And when you have opened the app, go to the support tab and then tap on diagnostics and then tap test all. And after the diagnostics is complete, go into the battery status option, and here if the battery status shows as normal, your battery is in a good shape, and if you see any signs of wear or damage, you might want to consider replacing the battery or getting a new device. And if your phone drains quickly, check which apps are using the most of the battery. You can find this in the settings, and then here scroll down to the battery and device care. Open this icon and make sure that this option is enabled and this too. And this will automatically free up memory on your device. And also the last thing, if your phone is charging slowly, check the charging cable and power adapter, because a worn or damaged cable can greatly reduce charging speed. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.